In this video, we will do exercise 4.5 of practical geometry. Now let us start exercise 4.5 using the properties of a square or a rhombus or a rectangle. Now dear student, to construct a square, you just need one side only. Now as per the property, all sides of a square are equal. And to construct a rectangle, you just need two sides. As you all know, in rectangle opposite sides are equal, and in rhombus also all sides are equal. Now let us start. So now let us start the exercise. Draw the following: the square READ with RE equals to 5.1 centimeter. The dear student, here only length of one side is given. Draw one rough sketch. READ. You can start writing READ from here also. As per the rule, in square all sides are equal. If one side is given RE, that is 5.1 centimeter, so by default all sides are 5.1 centimeter. Now in square, as all angles are 90 degree according to the properties of square. So now let us start to construct. Draw this base of 5.1 centimeter. Draw this base. Placing a scale, put a dot and try to draw this line segment. Right on step, draw EA equals to 5.1 centimeter. Now dear student, you need to get this two ray of 90 degree. As per the properties of square, each angles of square are 90 degree. Is 90 degree. So how to get 90 degree? So now after getting this line segment, take any measure with your compass and try to draw this arc. First cut will give 60 degree, second cut will give 120 degree. Dear student, as all angles are 90 degree, so let us place it on A also and make a cut 60 and 120 and try to get the bisector of 60 degree and 120 degree. With the, now you can change your measure, or with the same measure you can place it on 60 degree and make a cut and place it on 120 and make a cut. This is how you got 90 degree over here. And the same, place it over here 60 degree and make a cut and place it on 120 and cut the previous arc. This is how you got 90 degree. Now place your scale like this and try to draw one big ray from E to X and place it on A. Try to get big, try to connect this 90 degree. Here also you have to connect this E and 90 degree, and here also A and this connecting point, and try to draw big ray, name it AY. Now dear student, for this we will write the step together. See, as both angle is 90 degree, this is a symbol of 90 degree. See, we center E and A. E and A, no need to write separately. We center E and A. Construct ray EX. We had constructed ray EX and AY and AY, ray AY, such that XEA equals to 90 degree and YAE equals to 90 degree. Now these two sides by default it is 5.1 centimeter only. Either you place your scale and draw an arc or get 5.1 with your compass and place it on E and draw an arc, and place it on A, draw an arc. This is how. And while placing on E, wherever it get intersect this ray, name it R, and wherever it intersect this ray AY, name it D. So now this also step we will write together, or you can write separately. See, we center E, draw an arc with radius 5.1. We center E, draw an arc with radius 5.1 centimeter, intersecting ray EX at R. This arc intersecting EX at point R, and with center A, draw an arc with radius 5.1 centimeter. Radius we had taken 5.1 only. Intersecting ray AY at point D. Now, after getting the connecting point, final step is to join RD. So write down join RD. This is how we got our quadrilateral READ. Now let us see how to construct rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 cm and 6.4 cm long. Now dear student, try to construct a diagonal. Dear student, as we all know, in rhombus diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. That is, they are perpendicular bisector. So try to draw one rough sketch over here, and whose one diagonal is 6.4 cm and another diagonal is 5.2 cm. Now name it A, B, C, D. Now try to construct such. Now dear student, as we all know, first we need to construct base. So try to draw a base of 6.4 centimeter. 6.4 centimeter. Then get this 6.4 centimeter. Name it AC. Write down step, draw line segment AC of 6.4 centimeter. Then after getting such, try to draw perpendicular bisector of line segment AC. How to construct perpendicular bisector? See, one time you have to place it, take compass and take a radius of convenient measure, any measure you can take, and place it on C and try to draw an arc on upper half plane of AC. Means upper half plane means this is a upper half plane and this is a lower half plane. Upper half plane of AC, try to draw an arc to upper half plane and lower half plane. After doing such, place it on A and try to cut the previous arc. Try to cut the previous arc at upper half plane and lower half plane. Get that connecting point and name it as X and Y. Write down over here. We center A and C. We center A and C. Draw an arc on both the half plane, as we had drawn an arc on both the half plane, upper and lower. One time with C and one time with A, upper and lower. Let intersecting each other at X and Y. Both the arc got intersect each other at X, point X and point Y. Let line XY be perpendicular bisector of AC. So you have to connect this both the point and try to draw one big line. This is a line. Let this line XY perpendicular to AC at point O. See here it is written. Perpendicular bisector of AC at point O. Then, dear student, after doing such, we have one diagonal already. Now we need to draw this diagonal, and the length of this diagonal is 5.2 centimeter. So how to get this 5.2 centimeter? The half of 5.2 is 2.6. So with this center, try to get 2.6 centimeter. Now dear student, take 2.6 centimeter with your compass and place it on O, 0, or you can say it O, and try to draw arc to upper half plane over that line XY and lower half plane over that line XY, so that it intersect ray OX at D and intersect ray OY at P. So write it over here. With center O, draw an arc of radius 2.6 intersecting ray OX at D. See here it is written ray OX upper half plane at D and ray OY, that is lower half plane ray OY at point B. Now after getting such all connecting point, try to connect all the point and try to draw line AD, DC, BC and AC. This is how we got our rhombus. Let us see sum number third. A rectangle with adjacent side of length 5 cm and 4 cm. We have to construct a quadrilateral whose two sides given rectangle. Now this is a rough sketch. A, B, C, D I had taken name, and whose adjacent sides are 5 cm and 4 cm. Dear student, as we all know, as per the property of rectangle, opposite sides are equal and the angle of rectangles are 90 degree. So as we all know, the angle of rectangles, all the angles of rectangle are 90 degree. So now let us start. Here as per this is a rough sketch. First try to draw this base of 5 cm.
Ray OX.
Draw line segment of 5 cm. Then try to get this 90 degree first.
Ray OX.
How to get? Very simple, as you all know. Take any measure and try to draw this arc. At first cut you will get 60 degree, at second cut you will get 120 degree. Then between 60, bisector of 60 and 120 gives 90 degree. Same way with center C, try to draw this arc. At first cut you will get 60 degree, at second cut you will get 120, and between 120 and 60, between 120, dear student, here you can't change. After getting the 60 and 120 you can change measure with compass and try to draw an arc between with center 120 and with center 60, and wherever it get intersect, that is our 90. After getting such a intersecting point, try to draw one big ray with center D and that connecting point, and draw one big ray and name it ray DX. And from here, wherever you get connecting point, intersecting point with center C, try to draw one big ray and name it ray CY. Now write down the step. First one, for this base, draw DC equals to 5 cm. Then we center D and C. As we all know, both angles are 90 degree, so we will write both step together. We center D and C. We center D and C. Draw ray DX and ray CY such that angle XDC is 90 degree and angle YCD equals to 90 degree. Now we need to get this two side, which is of 4 cm. Try to get this 4 cm with your compass. We center D, draw an arc. See here, we center D and C, draw an arc of radius 4 cm. You have to take radius of 4 cm. We center D and with center C, draw an arc of radius 4 cm. Intersecting ray DX at point A, and CY, ray CY at point B. Now after getting that connecting point, joint AB. This is how we got our rectangle ABCD. Now the next last one is a parallelogram. You have to construct OKAY, where OK equals to 5.5 and KA equals to 4.2 cm. Is it a unique? Means they are asking whether with such measure is it possible to draw parallelogram. Is it unique for all parallelogram? Means dear student, first you draw the rough sketch OKAY As we all know, in parallelogram opposite sides are congruent. But dear student, here angles not given. Sum of angle, adjacent angle not given. So it is not possible to construct parallelogram. For that you should value of angle should be there. Suppose take for example, if it is 60 degree, here it should be 120 degree. Then only we can able to construct parallelogram. Otherwise it is not unique for all the parallelogram. So write down one statement: a parallelogram cannot be constructed as sufficient measurement are not given. Here angles are missing. It is not unique, that is common, as angle may vary in parallelogram drawn by given measurement. Means there can be a 45 degree also, 45 degree or 135 degree. So angle may be vary in all some. That's why we cannot draw parallelogram by the given measurement. It is not unique for all parallelogram.